Hi guys! Today we are going to learn how to make anime thumbnail. Want this? So let's start the video. First you want this toe overlay. Now go to Google and search background remover. Now click on the first link remover.bg. This take few seconds. Now upload your thumbnail to remove the character for the photo.
A few moments later.
Now this app remove the background automatically, but you can see it's not perfectly. So you can go to restore button and the restore and remove your character. And this part is so boring, so I cut it. After you done, go to download and download it. Now you can see it's downloaded. Now go to CapCut and import your real thumbnail and remove the ending. Now go to text and write your favorite line on Word for your thumbnail. I choose the Rang word. Now go to fonts and style it. Choose the style that match to the thumbnail. I selected this font and this style. Now set with your thumbnail. Now add shadows. Now overlay this. Go to layers and get in front of text. Go to splice and adjust it like this. Now go to adjust and adjust it like this. Adjust with your thumbnail. Overlay your cutout anime character. Adjust with your thumbnail character. If you don't do with your hands, so you use basic. After you done, adjust all things. Now overlay this. Cut this. Go to splice and adjust it. Set with the character eye. Now get a screenshot of it. Adjust with your gallery editor. Now go to Google and search Photo Clear. Now click on the first link pickwish.com. Upload your thumbnail to clear it. Now this app clear your photo automatically.
A few moments later. A few moments later. A few.
As you can see, this app clear this thumbnail. Now click in the download image and click on the free image.
A few.
Now hold 3 seconds and download it. Thanks for watching.